Okay, so as you can see, like in a title, today we're gonna hit the challenge lab, the last laboratory on the machine learning APIs course. So let's come up to this scenario and let's read that together actually. So let's start from here. You have started a new role as a member of the analytics team for Julie Inc. You are expected to help with the development and assessment of data sets for your company's machine learning projects. Common tasks include preparing, cleaning, and analyzing diverse data sets. You are expected to have the skills and knowledge for this task, so don't expect step-by-step guides to be provided. And here is our challenge, that we have been asked to develop a process to analyze sets of images of signage to extract and translate any text in the images. Okay, so the information will be used to help classify the images as part of a machine learning project that will use this image dataset for model training and evaluation. The images all contain text, but the text may be in any language. The images are stored in a cloud storage bucket that has been provided for you. Okay, and next, as we can read, we'll be using Python script to process each of the image files by sending them to the Google Vision API to identify the text in the image. Okay, great. If the text local is not language, you must then send the text to the Google Translate API to get the language translation for the original text. Once all of the images have been processed, the script must upload the results to a BigQuery table. Okay, and here is the diagram that outlines the process. The cloud storage, the Python script, and the BigQuery at the end. Okay, next, the processed text data must be then written out to a pre-existing BigQuery table. Okay. Then, a colleague on your team had started to work on the code to process the images based on a Python script previously used to process a set of text files using the Natural Language API. Your colleague has been moved to a separate project, and now you must complete the task. Most of the work on the script has been completed, and the version you have been given will access a storage bucket and iterate over every image file it finds. However, the specific API calls that need to be made to find the text in each image and then send that text to the translation API have not yet been implemented. Your colleague identified the unfinished parts of the script and commented on the API calls that need to be made. There are 3 unfinished parts in the script that you must complete to make the correct machine learning API calls. All of them are preceded with a comment using the label #TBD. To be done, I guess. Next, the final line of code uploads the result data to BigQuery. In the script, this line is disabled by a comment character. When you are satisfied that the rest of the script is working, remove the comment character to enable the final line. Before you work on the script, you must prepare your environment by creating a service account with the correct permissions and download the credential file for that account. Once you have the service account credentials, you can modify the Python script and use it to process the image files. Okay, and then once you have successfully processed the image files using the updated Python script and uploaded the data to BigQuery, you must confirm that the image data has been successfully processed by running the following query in BigQuery. And next, Never mind. Great. And now this is the query code that we next have to call query code that we will be using in the BigQuery later. Okay, so come to the first task of configuring a service account to access the machine learning APIs, BigQuery cloud storage. Create a new service account that provides credentials for the scripts. Once you have created an account, bind the BigQuery role and cloud storage roles to the service account to provide the IAM permissions required to process files from cloud storage and insert the result data into a BigQuery table. Okay, so I think we can start now. There's the start lab. Oh, we got some credentials. Really, I only have to hide username and password. The order of these credentials are pretty much useless, I wanted to say. Okay, so open link in incognito window. Now I have to split this up. Great. The fuck? Okay, so sign in, yes. I copy the password. I understand. Yeah, active credentials, standard, terms of servicing. Agree and continue. Great. So now, create a new service account that provides credentials for the script. Actually, where do I find it? Service accounts, IAM and admins. Here, and there should be service account. Oh no, it's not alphabetically sorted. Oh, there is service accounts. Okay, so there are two service accounts already existing, and we have to create a new one. Create a service account button right there on the navbar. Service account name. Does it need to have any proper name? I don't know. Let's name it test account. Service account description XXX. I don't know. And now create a new service account that provides credentials for the script. Once you have created an account, bind the roles BigQuery admin and storage object admin. Okay. Is that a condition? I don't see it. Okay, what if I copy that? Click role. Okay, BigQuery admin, yeah. Now add another role of the storage object admin. Yeah, that's right there. Okay, so we added these two roles, and now what now? To the service account to provide the IAM permissions required to process files from cloud storage and insert the result data into a BigQuery table. Okay, we added these roles and grant user access to this service account. I don't know. Let's leave it like it is. Leave it default. Now check my progress that we have a service account. Yes, we did that. Amazing. Great to see that. So next step, create and download a credential file for your service account. When you have configured the service account permissions, download the JSON format IAM credentials file for the service account. Whoa, I'm really clueless at this moment. And when you have let me reread it. Download the JSON format IAM. Okay, it has to be somewhere there. Let's see the actions, my permissions, MSP, view metrics, view logs, disable, delete. No, let's press the account. Yeah, I named the test account. And now let's see, permissions. Damn it. Yeah, I gotta capitulate. I don't think I can do this. So yeah, but tomorrow comes next day, and I think that it will be better. Like what I want to say, that was a part of the lesson. And tomorrow we will come stronger. So see you, thank you. Bye.